Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming at you today with a quick update video. I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my YSL college bag. I got this bag last June 2017 and it has become my favorite bag. I've pretty much worn it on a daily basis since then. I've switched it out a few times winter and spring, but literally for a year I've been wearing this bag nonstop. I did a kind of wear and tear review video a few months back. I think it was around winter. So if you haven't seen that review, please check it out. But this is going to be a quick follow-up because I have to report, sadly, that the bag is finally showing some major signs of wear, and I'm actually going to be sending it out with St. Laurent to have it repaired. And I wanted to document this process because I've been raving about this bag for so long, and one of the things that I really truly wanted to kind of emphasize was how beautifully it was wearing. I'm not saying this is unreasonable wear considering I've been wearing it non-stop. Haven't been super delicate with this bag. I've worn it on a daily basis, haven't babied it. So I'm not criticizing that the bag is unreasonably wearing. I do want to preserve it now moving forward. So I'm going to take it in for repair. I'm going to see if they can fix up the things that I'm noticing. So once it returns to me, I will be treating it very carefully and babying it because I want to preserve it. This is definitely one of my favorite handbags at this point. So let's get into the wear. I feel like that last video jinxed me a little bit, guys, because I was raving on how beautiful it looks. It looks stunning. It's brand new. Still looks brand new, and I've been wearing it. I feel like as soon as I filmed that video, uploaded it, the next day, the wear just started like popping up all over the bag, and I was like heartbroken. So let me share with you what I'm talking about. First, signs of chipping on the hardware. I feel like this, I know I showed you guys a little bit wear on this corner here. I feel like the YSL has a few chips up here, right here, and along the corner. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. So I feel like the YSL at the kind of corner points are showing much more significant chipping. The strap itself is not chipping as much, which is good, but the strap is showing all of this, like all of these threads. I don't know if you guys can see. All of these threads are coming loose on the strap. I mean, it's looking really worn and beat up right there. And pulling, like here, this I feel like looks horrendous at the handle. So I need that to be taken care of. I don't want to pull these threads out myself. This piece is actually coming up, the leather piece here. Can you see that? And the same on this side. Yeah, guys, as you can see, there's a significant amount of wear on the bag now. I think the wear is so much that I don't even feel comfortable wearing it out. It's like you have a beautiful designer bag and it's looking so beat up. Like, no. To have to contact my sales associate at St. Laurent and bring the bag in and see what they can do for me. So I was told that this bag is guaranteed for 2 years. So I had up to 2 years to bring it in for repair. I feel like this is a safe time to do it because I'm right at the 1 year mark. So I don't know, 2 years sounds like a long time. I think for them to say to guarantee anything and repair it, it should be repaired free of charge at this point. I don't want to wait too much longer because I don't want this to get any worse. Even the chipping, I don't want to get worse and then it's harder to repair. Since I've, like I said, documented a lot about this bag, I feel like I would follow you guys, let you guys follow me along. I'm going to take it to drop off with my sales associate. Let's see what they say. I'm going to send it out, so I probably won't be having this bag for a while, which is fine. I think this is a good time to send it out. It's summer and I'll be carrying less and less as, you know, during the summer, so I can use some of my other small bags. So yeah, so I'll be sending this out. I'm going to document it. I'm going to document me sending it out. I'm going to let you know what they say, what they told me, what happens when I go into the boutique. I'll even try to vlog that day if possible. And fill you guys in. So I figured this was be a little series. Let's repair my YSL college bag because it's so near and dear to my heart. So let's get it fixed up, and of course document once I get it back and how the repairs went. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you really want to see how this whole thing turns out, if I can get it repaired. If so, was it really free of charge? And you know, give you all the specifics. So sadly, it's time to get this fixed. That's it for today's video, guys. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Again, give me a thumbs up if you're interested to see how this whole repair process goes. And thanks so much for watching today. If you have any questions or comment, as always, hit me up in the comment section below. And until next time, guys.